Just one glass of water with baking soda will transform your health overnight. Have you ever wondered what happens when you drink water with baking soda? This simple and inexpensive concoction might sound too good to be true, but its benefits are well documented and widely recommended. From improving digestion to balancing your body's pH levels, the effects are truly remarkable. Today, we'll explore the many benefits of drinking water with baking soda, how to prepare it properly, and any potential contraindications. Let's take it easy, my friend, and get started. You might be surprised at how one simple drink can make such a big difference. Supporting kidney health. A mixture of baking soda and water plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health. Our kidneys are vital for removing waste and toxins and filtering the blood. However, their function can be compromised when the body's pH becomes imbalanced due to excessive acidity. Drinking water with baking soda helps neutralize this acid, providing relief for the kidneys. This can be especially beneficial for individuals suffering from heartburn and poor digestion. Baking soda effectively neutralizes excess stomach acid, alleviating discomfort and the burning sensation caused by acid reflux. By reducing acidity in the stomach, the liver can concentrate more on detoxifying the body. Enhancing respiratory function. A solution of baking soda and water can also support the respiratory system. This drink aids in clearing the bronchi and expelling mucus. The alkaline properties of baking soda reduce the thickness of mucus in the lungs, making it easier to expel. This is particularly helpful when mucus becomes thick and difficult to remove due to congestion or a persistent cough. Regular consumption can provide noticeable relief and improve overall respiratory health. Oral health advantages. Did you know that rinsing your mouth with water and baking soda can help combat bad breath? Baking soda neutralizes the acids responsible for bad breath and has antibacterial qualities that reduce bacteria in the mouth. While this practice doesn't replace brushing and flossing, it can be a helpful addition for those struggling with persistent bad breath. Furthermore, this solution acts as a natural microexfoliant, removing superficial stains from teeth for a brighter, whiter smile. Rinse your mouth with a baking soda solution once or twice a week to avoid enamel wear. This rinse can also reduce inflammation and bleeding associated with gingivitis. Immune system boost. Drinking water with baking soda can also strengthen your immune system. The alkaline properties of this mixture help balance the body's pH, reducing chronic inflammation and creating a more favorable environment for defense cells. This pH balance is crucial for optimal immune function and overall health. How to prepare the solution. Preparing this solution is straightforward and quick. Start by measuring half a teaspoon of baking soda and add it to 200 milliliters of warm or room temperature water. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the baking soda is completely dissolved. Once ready, drink the solution slowly to allow your body to absorb it effectively. For the best results, it's advisable to consume this mixture on an empty stomach. This timing helps maximize its benefits, especially if you're aiming to relieve heartburn or improve digestive health. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps neutralize stomach acid, providing relief from discomfort and promoting a balanced pH level in your digestive system. Contraindications. However, this solution isn't suitable for everyone. Baking soda can cause or worsen high blood pressure, so those with hypertension should avoid consuming too much of it. People with kidney failure or chronic kidney disease should also avoid baking soda as it can affect electrolyte balance and kidney function. Those with heart conditions such as congestive heart failure should consult their doctor before taking baking soda, as it can affect the body's acid-base balance and heart function. It is crucial to consult a doctor before taking baking soda, especially if you are on medications like antacids, antibiotics, or other treatments, as it can interact with these drugs. Bonus combination: salt and water. For those who watched until the end, we have another beneficial combination: salt and water. When consumed in the right proportions, this mixture can be highly beneficial for the body. Rehydration is one of these benefits. Imagine you've just finished intense physical activity or experienced diarrhea and you're thirsty. Salt water can help restore electrolytes like sodium and chloride, essential for muscle function and fluid balance. Salt water is more effective than plain water for combating dehydration because it helps the body retain water more efficiently. Mix about half a teaspoon of salt with a liter of water and drink the solution in small sips. This ratio ensures a safe intake without overstimulating the system, promoting effective hydration. Salt water also benefits digestion by stimulating the production of hydrochloric and digestive enzymes in the stomach, essential for food breakdown. Salt contains minerals like sodium chloride, necessary for producing gastric juices, speeding up digestion, and reducing discomforts like bloating or indigestion. Drinking small amounts of this solution throughout the day, especially before meals, can aid digestion and nutrient absorption. Moreover, salt water can improve skin health by providing essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which hydrate the skin and reduce inflammation. These minerals balance the skin's pH, helping combat conditions like acne and eczema. Prepare the mixture by dissolving half a teaspoon of salt in a liter of filtered drinking water. Consume this solution in small amounts throughout the day for a smoother, firmer, and healthier skin. The benefits of sea baths. When discussing salt water, we can't overlook the benefits of sea baths. This practice is particularly advantageous for those living near the coast. Seawater is rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which nourish and revitalize the skin. These minerals have anti-inflammatory and healing properties that can help alleviate skin conditions such as eczema and acne. Additionally, sea salt acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells, promoting cell renewal, and leaving the skin brighter and smoother. Salt water also improves blood circulation, giving the skin a healthier and more nourished appearance. However, it's important to remember to hydrate your skin after swimming, as salt water can be dehydrating. Contraindications for salt water consumption. Just like with baking soda water, salt water consumption should be avoided by those with heart disease, hypertension, or kidney problems. Excess sodium can worsen these conditions and raise blood pressure. Salt water is also dehydrating as it can draw water out of cells and into the gastrointestinal system, leading to fluid loss. Those with conditions like congestive heart failure, edema, or who follow a low-sodium diet should avoid this practice. Always consult a healthcare professional before consuming salt water or baking soda to ensure it is safe for you. While drinking water with baking soda can offer various health benefits, it should not replace professional medical advice. See you in the next video, my dear friend.